Hey guys, Jim from MeasureSquare here. Welcome to part 9 of the Takeoff tutorials in the Getting Started series for MeasureSquare 8. In this video, we will cover adding an internal wall to an existing room and resizing that wall. To begin, I will go up towards the shape area of my toolbar, select the Room Edit drop-down menu, and select Draw Wall. You'll see the crosshairs on my mouse. Now when I bring my mouse close to a wall, it will snap to that wall, and you'll see the dimensions change as I move my mouse. To begin my wall, I will give a single left click, and now I'm able to draw my wall. To either end my wall or pick a turning point, I will left click, and now I can continue drawing my wall by giving another left click. If I need to end my wall in the current location, I will right click. That will end my wall, but I will still be in the draw wall mode, represented by the crosshairs on my mouse. If I need to draw a standalone wall that is free floating, I can just pick a point within the room, left click, and draw that wall accordingly as well. And I will right click to end that wall just like before. And I will do one more right click now to exit out of the draw wall function. Now if I need to adjust the lengths of any of these walls, I just need to left click within the room they are in. I will zoom in so I can have a better view. And I will again just grab a bullet point at the end of this wall, left click and hold, and drag my mouse to the appropriate dimension. Once I release, that wall has now been resized. I will do that on the free floating wall as well. I'm going to left click on that bullet point in the middle of the wall, hold down my mouse, drag, and release my mouse. And now that wall is also resized. In our next video, we will cover adding a takeout or hole to a room.